Alright, so here with standout performer from today's Champions Cup final, Tyrick Ximines. Man, what a game. How do you feel after a performance like that?
Well, I feel good because, coming back, I wasn't up to standard, so seeing me play how I played today, good, and I have more to go.
Alright, coming back in the middle of the season, what caused you, not to be up to standard? We would have expected you to be training outside of schoolboy football. So what caused that slow start from you?
Well, yes, I was training, but match fitness is different from training fitness, so I had to get games under my belt, and it helps. You see it tonight.
Alright, and coming into today's game, what was the instruction from the coach, personally to you and to the rest of the team?
Well, he told me to just play my game and to help the team.
Alright, we saw you being a menace, against the Kingston College team. One that you latched on to, leave to the defenders for that. Walk me through that goal and what was going through your mind when you saw the goal open up.
Well, I was going to kick, but I saw the two players coming, so I decided to just, chop them and just score the goal.
Alright, how do you feel playing in a forward position? You're usually a defender. Speak to me about that game.
Well, to be honest, I'm a more attacking player, so playing strike, it wasn't a hard thing for me to do.
Alright, and finally, JC for the treble?
Treble.
There we go.